So we're going to put the pierogi in the boiling water. I don't salt the water, but I'm sure you could. And you don't want them to be too crowded. So I would say a dozen most in your big stock pot at a time. And ideally, they will rise to the top or the occasion or the challenge within 3 minutes. I did it today and they rose to the top almost immediately, and they were not as good, so this time we are holding them in there for exactly 3 minutes, and we're going to see what happens. Okay, here we are coming up on 3 minutes, and you know they will be good to go when they have risen to the surface. And so we're going to do the full 3 minutes, which is coming up on, and then we're going to transfer them with a slotted spoon to a buttered pan where we're just going to get them ready to be frozen. So if you're planning on freezing yours, you should put butter in the bottom of a pan and drop the boiled pierogies into that, and then when they get cool, then you can put them in the freezer. All right, now they are sitting in the pan with their little bit of butter. If you're going to freeze them, I would recommend that you put a little bit of the caramelized onion in with the pierogi as you freeze them. That way everything will be all together and you can just defrost it and throw it in the pan. If you're going to eat them fresh today, however, I would hold off on the caramelized onion in the pierogies at this point, because you can just toss a little scoop in at the very end of the pan frying process.